Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So yun, thank you nga pala sa thank you sa pag-support ko sa another vlog ko. Meron ako yun, July 13. Yung vlog ko dun is umabot ng viewers. Umabot siya ng 241. And thank you, and yung isa naman, yung short ko dun is yung so lonely na ano ko dun. And just was a short lang siya na video ko guys pero umabot siya ng 200, I think 261 like that, or 264 like that, but I don't know, I forgot. So now, nakita niyo na diba, may nakita ba kayo? Hindi ko alam. 88 message na. Malapit na maubos ang iyong ECR 50. Ba't naglo-load ko pa, may wifi naman? Ayan, so nakita nyo ba may pagbabago tayo? Ayan, naglagay lang naman ako nun kasi yan yung parang ribbon. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Naglagay lang ako nun guys kasi yes, alam nyo na yun doon sa may ano ko, diba? That was my profile and I like my profile too. Kasi lang guys, malaki ako and pag pinalitan ko baka mawala to, and may natatakot din ako guys kasi ayoko siya mawala. So ngayon, I maybe think that what shall I do now? Kasi guys, mag-Squid Game naman tayo para hindi naman siya masyadong boring. But I don't know if I can do na. Kasi nahihirapan ako dun sa isa, may papaikotin ka. Ano kayang maging vlog ko ngayon? School. Okay, first day of school again. Joke lang, second day of school. Kasi yung bahay. Alam ko na guys, joke lang. Siyempre dito mag-ano na naman. Wala ng bahay. Ayaw kaya dun sa dulo, nakakatakot. Guys, alam ko na yung vlog natin ngayon. Joke lang guys, so ang totoo talaga natin yung vlog is mag-sneak out tayo sa lahat ng house. Yan. I know how to sneak out. I always do that, how to sneak out. Wow. Bigla nagbukas. Guys, let's just kind of quiet. Shut up your mouth, guys, because I'm just trying to like quietly. Guys, okay na ingay kasi I think I may parang ngayon na ulit ako mag-sneak out to. Oo na. May turo ako sa inyo sa susunod na vlog. Guys, tignan natin. Wala naman. Baka mamaya may banda. Wala naman. Yay! Nakapag-sneak out tayo. Host na. Ayun, may bago. Let's just come, guys. Diba, ganito lang pa pala ng mga nag-sneak out. Yun, nakita niyo na ba kung paano mag-sneak out ang isang ito? think she may be busy. Sana hindi na ako makita. Yes. Haha, bebe. Hala. Palit sila. Di ba guys, nakita niyo yun? I'm your biggest sister. Maglagay tayo guys. Oh my god, binand niya. Guys, nakita niyo ako. Yan guys. Alam mo, ibinand na naman siya. Yan natin. Yan. Put ko lang dyan yung camera. Camera! Narinig niyo ba yun? Super sweet. Saan mo dyan tayo makita? Oh my God! Listen kayo! Gabi ang lakas ng amag sinunod.
You say you've been thinking of death. Would you care to elaborate? Yes.
Hala, binand tayo.
And
Sayang. Ano ba rin? Pangit naman yun. Ano nga?
I started praying.
Ano pa naman?
I used to
Ayoko na bumalik doon.
mahaba. Magupit ka naman bukas.
Bukas.
Ha?
Bukas na lang. Bukas na lang. Ay, hindi. Ayoko nito. Guys, actually, favorite color ko yung black.
Daddy works in mysterious
Maganda kasi yung color black.
ways.
And black yung hindi ko yung account. This is my main account. Yung hindi ko real account, guys, kasi dun yung sa cellphone ng wala ko. Ano yun? May score? Ano score? Ano score sinasabi niyo?
Ano, Gabriel? Wala ka na namang ano dyan sa laro mo.
Ano score yun?
Kasi sinasabi ko sa iyo, ha?
Babe, wala. Wala, oh.
Sino ba kalaro mo dyan?
Nabibiting this was sa pin.
Sino kuha? Bakit nakukuha nila?
Siyempre. Okay, I will be gonna be a princess now. Nagda. So may TikTok ko, guys, for talkabout ka lang makikita nyo dun, Talkabout ka lang makikita nyo, okay? Yeah. Talkabout ka lang talaga, Talkabout ka lang naman yung inano ko yun, guys, sa TikTok ko. Oh, sana all black. Gusto ko rin. Uy, ang gusto ko rin ng black, ha. Kaso may black na ako sa isang account. Let's see. Wait lang. Manggulo tayo dun sa bahay na Huwag niyo ko i-punishment, Yun ang band sa akin. Visit yun. Sabihin natin, sari-sari store for free. Like ginagawa mo, Exit. Manggulo tayo. Ay, may ito lang. Not so bad. Ha? Sino ka? Ay, hindi kilala ka ta. Hello. Sorry, guys, kasi hindi ko naman alam lagi po siya talaga yung Kahit nga ako, ngayon hindi na ako nakapaglaro, Diba? Sabi niya, kamusta ka na? Okay lang. Ano ba yun? Yung bank alarm, lagi na lang nag-a-alarm. Basin ba kumukuha nung doon? Nalaman niya lang dun yung bagong secret, Sabi niya, wait, leave muna ako saglit. May ano lang ako saglit. Mag-join ako sa'yo. Okay. That was no problem to me. Kala ko hindi nung binadun mo sa tama niya. Let's say that him. Punch your light away, light away, your light away. Ano hiragit yung hinday. All around, she lies. Cannot use on street. Taga natin, I killed people. Anyone in my Nasaan na yung you? House.
Hi, did you breakfast?
Ay, sorry. Yan. And naglagay tayo ng skeleton. Like that.
Sure. It's good. Awesome. Oh, no.
When she heard the report, she was very concerned he could be listening to her. And hey, I know this would have caused that. I figured to have you continue to
Just from the story, so. Yes. I'm definitely gonna keep it. But, hey, should I come this in? Usually the study. It's not like that. I didn't buy anything. I found it in the back of my closet. From my board game, we used to play around. That was a piece
Yan,
of
mawala ko
something
nito sa
back
tutugan
then.
ko.
That's sweet.
Yan.
What I consider something. I got lost in the
Yan. Thank you. Sabi niya, I kill anyone in my house. Ha 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 ha. Ayan, pagiganto ko sa inyo. Ano. Ito. Maganda ba? Ano ba yan? Ba't ba lahat ng house dito is nakasara? Punta tayo ng school. Kasi andun sila. Ganyan talaga ako, guys. Lagi pagkagano, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pag nag-skateboard ako, pag ganan ako. Kasi wala lang. This was my trip, no? Thank you, guys. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Oh no. No. Dahil sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako tumitigil hanggat hindi sila nagsasabi ng I'm so sorry. Ganyan talaga ako mangganti. Huwag kayo maingay pag kayo hindi ko talaga kayo anhin. Tawag na kayo maingay. I think they not know naman. Ano ba yan?
Sabi pala niya ako sa labawan nito na.
Wait muna. Exit. Tapos, exit. Tapos, I killed more people. Ay, joke lang. I killed my own daughter. Ha 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 ha.
I've been working for 13 years now.
Thank you. She did not see it. Besides, I don't care. Mag-pro limit. Sayang naman. Ako ba lang tayo dito sa kanan? Okay. Sabi niya Monday daw, guys. On Monday. Wait, in Monday. Okay, kailangan nakasat ako na lang pang school. Kailangan nakasat ako na lang pang school. Kailangan ko na mag-change. I guess I don't know if this happens. On Monday. Okay, I need to wear some like school. Because I'm going to school. Did you understand? Like, I'm gonna wear this. And I can wear my skirt. I maybe wear some black skirt. I hate this. Nagbo-wear ako ng black skirt.
Kita.
Yan, di ba? Mas better. Yan. Because I'm going to school, guys. Diba? Where are you, my horse? I need to come in my school. Yay! I'm coming to the school now. So, wait. Wait, yun naman ang backpack ko. Siyempre, need ko ng iPad, ng book. Ito. Ay, ano ba't hindi ko makuha? Guys, nakikita niyo, hindi ko makuha. Huwag na nga lang. Pag may binigyan na sa kanya. Kaso lang Friday pa daw school. Okay. Naka-ready na ako. Friday pa naman pala. Monday daw yun eh. Oh no! Ito na nga, baka nakatakutan ko ito pala. This. And my pink skirt. I just guys type the pink. Like that. Diba? Baby, ante ko Monday pa. Friday pa lang. Lagot, baka mamaya sabihin niya, hindi pa ako naka-DS. Ito pala yun. Guys, first day ng school, pero hindi ko alam kung saan nakalagay yung mga stuff ko. I gonna wear my pink skirt. Ito sobrang iksi. Or this. Ay, oo. Kasi magba-black ano naman ako ngayon. Saturday pa lang ah. Oh my God, close pa yung pagkakain ko. So now, punta na tayo ng school kasi wala pa akong locker. Did you guys understand Saturday na? And madali na lang naman siguro mag-Monday. Wala, ano ba Monday? Di ba timang talaga eh. Paano yan? Pasok ng school, di alam kung saan Monday. Sabihin ni teacher, sino kayo nagdala dito ng horse, kabayo, horse?
We're gonna try to get together whenever she's here. You wanna see her?
Okay, so kunin na natin ito. Send. Wait. Where's my old classmates? Wait. Di ba basketball court to? Sabi dito, with your head full of brains and your shoes full of feet, you're too smart to go down any not so good street. Okay, I don't care. Plane emergency, please. Oh. 2 minutes, March. Dito na lang tayo mag-upo.
Actually, pwedeng akin na yung fita.
Share mo na lahat, pero pag fita,
ABC for fun. ABC. Not I did not like this.
Ang apat na araw
What,
na
guys?
bukasan mo, walang pasok ka naman.
Oh my god, I did not like this too.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ang apat na araw na bukas mo ng pasok.
Wait lang guys, hintayin natin si teacher. Guys, I think for the first day pa lang ng school nito, I think may bully na. Ayan. She's a bully. Guys, Saturday pa lang, pero pumasok na yung ate nyo. Nakita nyo ba yan? Nakita nyo ba yan? Pumasok na agad ako. Sinong timang dito papasok na Saturday? Saturday, may pasok na. Sabi niya, busy.
magandang maga ko. Hanggang sa mahuli kita ginagamit ang office hours for pleasure. Okay, so ano nangyari?
Okay.
Boss, last lunch po yung camera ko eh.
And
Last lunch ka. Tapos na. Okay naman ako. Wala naman hindi ikaw yung retrato. Pwede. Pinagkita pa natin yung lead na yun ha? Huwag mong sabihin na
sabi na guys na
natapos itatasa sa kongresyon.
hindi ko gusto nga yung brown. That's like a poop.
Ay, wala nga sinabi.
Mas gusto ko yung black.
Oy! Oy!
Kaya ang papansin nyo guys, kung ganyan ako kasi
Kaya
pinagpapalitan
tayo nandito dahil anak ka ni Manolo Marquez.
kasi ikaw ay ulit na pinagpalit. Gusto ba yan? Bakit mo nga? Joke lang.
Opo.
Diba, pag malakad din ang ate nyo eh. Masaklat ko ako kayo. Let's go to the basketball court. I think it's time to bullying everyone. Mambubuli tayo ngayon. Hala, bully. Joke lang. Hindi ako namubuli sa school ah.
Bakit pare? Hindi mo kami sa
Ha.
sa tumbos ko mga chicken.
Hala, muulan. Ay, uulan. Wala naman. Fake news.
Kasi pare, just know that people. Hindi ka naman siya sa trabaho mo. Pwede ka na mag-resign.
Guys,
Photojournalist.
patataasin ko yung anak ko. Ba't makaabot nyo sa black? Black hole. Joke lang, black hole. Like that. Ang bato tayo. Wala pa yung teacher namin, ah. Hala. Wala, umuulan. Like, just like this. I think may mambupuli na sa kanditang girl. Oh my goodness. This is not good. I don't
Humigo mo
think.
parang babae sa bola. Ang babae teenager, isang basketball.
What's
Upang
that?
makuha sa bawat
Ginagawa ko lang, tapos ngayon napapanood ko na. Wait, dun yung upuan ko sa unahan. Wait a minute, who are you? No, I just don't care. Anyways. Chibito, Palestinians are free for everyone. Oh, Palestinians? Ano yun? Oh my God! Gitlog na nga, yan mo na. Di ko kailangan sumabay pa sa uso. Kaya magiging ako sa aking ginusto. Ang mga pangagara. Di magpapatinag sa sasabihin ng iba. Ang tunay kong ganda sa lahat ay iba. Hala, tumalon na. Di ko kailangan sumabay pa sa uso. Ako'y magiging ako sa aking ginusto. Tanda ka irarapa. Anday magpapatinag sa sasabihin ng iba.
Dapat yung limang gamit mo na siya.
Tunay kong ganda sa lahat na iiba.
Yan yan. Ay, yung ingay mo ah. Ako, puno ka. Wala ko isko na. Sophie, palagay na ako ng yan.
Oh,
Guys, ano na yun? Sophie, palagay mo.
wait lang guys, just a minute.
Ano yan? Ito wala.
Ha? Di ba sabi mo? Eh, kasi mama sabi mo sorry. Sorry. Sino ba yun? Nagpatay dito ng ilaw para mga timang eh. Ay,
Huwag mo yung kamo, Sophie. Ay, sige, ito yun.
wala na dito yung tao. I think maybe guys, I'll go to my room instead. Guys, this is not a beauty contest. Huwag na lang. Tagal na ka. May... Okay, just don't care about it. Kanda ko hinarangan ka, di magpapatinag sa sarili ng iba. Nampay niya isa. Kinisa mo. I like the orange one. Oh.
Ako si Charmaine Marientos.
Magkano
Dating
yun?
yung Don.
Mm.
Portion.
Yan.
Dominic with
Ma?
Milestone.
Ma, skip mo na.
Ano ba yan? Dandan?
Hoy,
Wala na sa mali.
Haya.
Wala na. 28 daw yung aso.
How much? Come on, I'm going to school.
ito yung gamit.
Bro, you're going to school?
Gawin mo. Dapat ikawit mo lang yung...
I think you're right now.
Sabi, lagay mo sa rekta. O na, dakap kami.
We might have to wrap our heads around the idea that Bobby might not just bounce back this time.
But there's no one's here.
Is that a radiology? Get some blood shots.
Oh no.
Let's just say you and the doctors are baffled. Crap. Yeah, well, Cass called you one too.
Yes. Ano tayo? Magbago ka lang.
Joshua? Just pay the devil. St. Martin's Hospital. Why would you? Cass. Cell phone, Cass. It's when they usually reach out and touch someone. You're hidden from angels, not all angels. I won't be able to simply...
Enough foreplay. Get over here and lay your damn hands on. Get healing. Now.
I can't.
Say again.
I'm cut off from heaven. Much of heaven's power. Certain things I can do, certain things I can't.
You're telling me you lost your mojo just in time to get me stuck in this trap the rest of my life?
Patay ito.
Shove it up your ass.
Nobody's just talking about.
I heard that.
I don't have much time. I need to talk to you. Okay. Your plan to kill Lucifer. No. Fool. Can't be.
Hindi natin yung bahay. Yung ano.
Strong enough to stop the apocalypse.
Kahit ako yung naglagay nun. But that's what I have. Let's eat some apple.
God is not. Yes. He isn't in heaven. He has to be somewhere. Try to Mexico. I hear he's on a tortilla. No, he's not on any flatbread. Listen, Chuckles, even if there is a God, he's either dead, and that's the gender state he is out there, Dave. He's up and kicking and doesn't give a rat's ass about any of us. I mean, look around you, man. The world is in the toilet. We are literally at the end of days here, and he's off somewhere drinking booze out of coconuts. All right?
Labang naman tayo.
This is not a theological issue. It's strategic. With God's help, we can win.
Yung kumakain ng junk food.
I killed 2 angels
Labang
this
tayo,
weekend.
Miguel.
It's my brothers. I'm haunted. I rebelled and I did it all for you. And you failed. See, your brother destroyed the world. And I lost everything. For nothing.
My...
others, your opinions to yourself.
Oh my mind, I don't care. What the hell? Oh my god.
What is it you want? I did come for something. An amulet. An amulet.
I don't care kasi guys. This I can eat some apple and I can write my book.
God's presence will let me find him.
Basta wag lang yung brown. Heh.
God, you know.
I do not like the color brown.
Yung dito.
I'm going to home now.
Please.
You don't.
Mm. Uwi na kaya ako?
What this? Man. No. Give it to me. Alright, yes.
Nalay ko lang yung box ko.
No. Lose it.
Patayin ko na lahat ng ilaw seconds.
Right now, you'll make it. I'll be in touch.
Ay, wag na.
Only five gods have the same.
Pwede yung dalawang chance.
Don't do that. Melody. Okay. We talked about this. Personal space. My apologies. How'd you find me? I thought I was flying above the angel radar. You are.
Ay nga.
Wala na.
Inubos nyo na.
Agad din.
Ano ba yan? Inubos nyo na. Okay na. Sasalala mo na.
You said we're taking separate vacations.
Wednesday. Oh my God. Saturday na ngayon.
Find God.
Ay, Saturday.
Important gun that they never
Wednesday.
found. No, I haven't found any. That's why I'm here. I need your help. What? God hunt? Not interested. Not God, it's someone else. Who?
Wednesday.
Archangel.
Na.
Okay, maybe.
Bakit kasi hindi ko yun?
His name is Raphael.
Ito.
You were raised by a teenage mutant ninja. I've heard whispers that he's walking the earth. This is prayer, opportunity, or what? Revenge, information. So, you think we find this dude was just gonna spit the guy's dress? Yes. Because we are gonna track him and interrogate him. You serious about this?
Sayang, Wednesday nga. Because I maybe forgot it. Pero, kala ko umaga na.
So,
Kala ko di umaga na ante ko. Let's... This is the principal office. Principal office. Okay. I want to be like a principal. This is janitor.
because you're Michael's best
Yeah.
friend.
Clean toilets.
Also, I'm bullshit.
Hindi na ako want to be janitor.
Oops.
Because you are the
Yes.
only
Pwede na yung chance.
hold of me.
Chance ha? Talaga? Para pantay.
Alright, fine. What is it?
Mag-sit na lang tayo.
Let's go. Whoa. What?
Oh, baka
Last time you
pala.
took me someplace, I pooped for a week. We're driving. A deputy
Wala kasi akong fancy dito guys.
He still has eyes. That was the plan. Tell the officer ready. We're destiny from the Lord. And the officer will tell us where the angel is. Soon.
Sino mo talaga yung horse ko? Ayaan na na. Hanggang mamaya pa ako dito eh. Sino nagpatay ng light? Takot kayo.
Guys, that's how we become president.
guys, wait na lang kayo ng part 2. Pero iba naman yung part 2 ko. Bye!
Sophia.